The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for all of New Mexico beginning at 12:15 a.m. and ending at 12:15 p.m. This is a New Mexico Blue Alert being issued at the request of the New Mexico State Police. The New Mexico State Police is looking for Isaac Romero. Isaac is a Hispanic male, 22 years old, and was last seen wearing a black jacket with blue jeans and red shoes. Isaac is wanted for firing on an officer and domestic assault. He was last spotted at 224 Alta Vista Street. Isaac should be considered armed and dangerous. If you have any information about Isaac or his whereabouts, contact the Santa Fe Police Department at 40992522000.